Who that is? I guess y'all want to see the house. We ain't got no new car content for you, so I figured we'd show off the new house. Let's go. Alright, so we're having a new car content, but we did move into a new place, and well, we figured we'd get you guys some content anyway, and I get to start this off. So since you guys have known 86 Ways of living in the same apartment, the same small space, well, that's changed, and we're gonna give you a bit of a walkthrough of what that is. So I'm gonna take control of the camera right now because Kat's behind it, and we're gonna show off my favorite room that ain't even completed yet in the house. And then we'll go see everything else. But let's check out the man cave first. Shall not be infringed. Means you know we ain't fucking around. You over here, you know what it is. It's the Marine Corps house. And who made that effect?
You're welcome.
That one did. But we're gonna start off in my favorite room in the house, which by definition is the formal dining room.
We'll have a table in a month. I promise. It'll be here Memorial Day weekend.
a month. But in the meantime, this is my little man cave. So obviously, I love America. If you don't, fuck off my channel.
Bad Vice gave you that.
Yeah, Bad Vice. Shout out to my boy John. He knows. He already knows. So we took our old cabinet here, and we decided, hey, we're gonna go ahead and turn that to a bar. So I got a bunch of my glasses down there, a bunch of my good whiskeys up here. Everybody always wants to know, what whiskeys do I have? So we got 4 rows of single barrel. We got the blue, the baby blue from Balcones, decor, Dripping Springs, and everything. We even got the expensive stuff. Shout out to Eric. Get over here, we got some Highland Park, some JMO. But, yeah, for those of you who caught that, boom. One of the big advantages, right?
Ready?
To being able to live where we want, being able to hide what we want. Can't do this shit in an apartment. They will freak out. Yeah, get my Vanna White on. A couple things we'll be changing here. That's going away. What we're gonna do is the rail lighting. We gotta figure out what kind of art piece we want to put on this wall over here. We will.
I think we figured it out.
And then we got a crazy table on the way.
Yeah, it's being built.
It's being built. Don't mind that. The movers broke this. If you didn't already know. Yeah, now you do.
And the
Route 66 stuff over here. Oh, what?
The weapons.
We're going, oh yeah, of course. If you didn't already know. Here, let me show you this one. This is one you'll like. Here, I'm gonna give her a cake.
Okay.
So this, give them the background on this.
Grandfather, World War II, deployed to Japan and brought that home off a dead body.
Whoo, boy.
So
and
it's a Japanese cavalry sword.
Yep.
It is real. We've checked it out. It's been passed down.
this thing has original rust on it.
Yeah, it's gross.
She says it's gross. I think this is badass.
It is cool.
Because little does she know, stuff like this kind of combines into my Marine Corps culture.
I know.
I love this.
Except he was
But
of course.
one of my biggest symbolic pieces in here, yeah, we've got the cool stuff. We got the grenades, and we got the bullets, and we got Anubis, and we got a Luke Kuechly and Mike Tolbert signed football from the Carolina Panthers from their 2015 just murderous season.
Your buddy.
One of my boys got me this for my birthday back in the San Diego days. And then the centerpiece of this whole thing. It's called the Flag of Honor. Every single name of anybody who passed away during 9/11 is right there on the wall. We remember them every single day. And then we have a couple paintings that we're gonna get framed up and put up right here against the wall as well. So yeah, that's the man cave, or the formal dining room. Since you guys have been watching the channel, I've been in an apartment. We ain't in no apartment no more. So the formal dining room, you don't get those in an apartment. That's my favorite spot in the house so far. We're gonna let Kat kick in next and show off what she likes.
One of my favorite spots of the living room. Well, of the house, technically.
Ooh, hold up. Shit closet. Oh, sorry.
Hey, we're getting a sign that says get naked, but it's a half bath, so don't make it weird. Anyway, so.
If you come out of my bathroom into my living room naked, for one, I'm gonna have serious questions.
We have some weird friends that probably will.
2, I'm probably gonna fight you after you put some underwear on. And 3, I'm gonna get you a drink just because, well, you like the party apparently. But
So anyway, Christmas present for Mr. Alex behind the camera. We got him a We the People. He likes it.
I don't know if you
Has sharp edges.
Weird. Has sharp edges, can be used as a weapon if need be.
Yeah. And then of course, honoring grandparents, or great-grandparents technically. Former Texas Ranger. Nice 6-shooter, used to be his. It is engraved Texas Ranger on
What's his
it.
name?
I don't remember.
But this is his actual badge.
That one, and then the one in the case as well.
That's crazy. That's history right there. That's insane.
And that's his actual gun.
And
it does fire. The ammunition is dead.
No clue what size that is, but I on that thing yesterday, and yeah, it will still fire. That's not a game. All right.
You know, when it
Oh, a coat closet.
and puppy gate.
Cool.
Oh, fancy. But our living room fits our couch now.
Yeah. So for those of you who watch like my past videos, we've always had this couch in that apartment.
But the
That was against the back wall. That was under the window, and that was over.
That was in the dining room. By the dining room. By the front door.
Yeah.
It didn't
So,
fit.
as a guy, I gotta tell one of my favorite parts.
Oh yeah.
As a guy, we were moving in, and well,
We got a
this,
fire.
we had this sweet mantle, right? It's sick.
Excited.
It's sick. But there's a big wall above it, and well, when we started, we only had a 55-inch TV.
You know, it was tiny. I'm sorry.
And it didn't look right. So we went and upgraded to the 65. And shout out to my man, Pecos Hank, out here storm chasing. He's one of our favorite YouTubers. We watch him because, well, this guy's a damn genius. And look at this. Who makes quality content quite like that? I can only watch you guys put E85 in cars so many times before. I don't care how many times you blow it.
And he's weird.
He's weird. He's quirky. I fuck with it.
He takes bananas to don't you?
He does. So, gas, fireplace right here, boom. I mean, we gotta clean up some cords. Obviously, we're still moving in. And then those shotguns and the swords that you saw, they're gonna go up on this wall over here. It's gonna be badass. We got puppy toys because, well, there's a puppy in the backyard.
We'll get there. And then we have the kitchen. You know, a kitchen that I can't do this number and touch both sides. It's amazing.
Atlas,
You laugh.
my homies over here.
And you love to eat. So, it's a win-win for both of us.
Whiskey, Tango, Foxtrot.
Yep. Food.
No. All right, explain to her what you're gonna do in the kitchen, or what you've already done.
Okay. So
She had these were floral.
Oh my
She
god, they
hated
were
them.
ugly. Do I have them? They're somewhere. They were white with like pink and blue flowers. I'm sorry, it's not Grandma's house.
Yeah.
So we changed the handles and I rated Target for
We have been to Target every fucking day except today since we moved in. So
since Tuesday. So 5 days. I'm not good at math.
anyway, we finally got a
Finally got a
blender.
blender.
Thank you to Monet and James.
Yes.
For those of you who come over to my house, if I invite any of you over, this is what you got to drink out of your first time here. Yes, it's a titty. No, that's your only choice.
He made me do it.
You know, people always want to
brought
ask
it home.
what kind of weird shit's in our fridge. For
Okay.
people who make jokes, yeah, I'm a fat dude. I enjoy being chubby because I like food.
Okay, but I
We
need-
just moved in.
So I need to go grocery shopping. This is not ours. That's not ours.
What is in our fridge? We got
That's not ours. It's ugly.
ain't no laws when you drink in the claws.
It's
I don't drink that bullshit. If you think I drink this bullshit, go watch something else.
yeah. That's James and
This
Monet.
is James and Monet's. We got Red Bull because, well, I live off of that shit.
Me too.
A couple beers, some leftover pollo asada. Down in here, we got the ice cream maker. We got
Popsicles
we got
for 5
Otter
year olds.
Pops. Who doesn't like Otter Pops? If you don't like Otter Pops, there's something wrong with you. We got condiments because, well, let's be
I like to
serious.
cook.
I'm a sauce guy.
And I like to cook. So.
And then up here, we got more whiskey stuff because everybody knows I'm that whiskey guy.
Yep.
There's only a couple $1,000s up here.
There's more behind you too.
Oh, there is. You're right. Shit. How could I? And we're gonna be adding more.
Yeah.
Of course we are. Brand new appliances. Fuck with this. This is super nice. We
Hey,
need an ice maker.
I fuck with it because it's level.
Yeah, our other
Our
one.
last stove was
we
not
would have
level.
uneven steaks because it was literally tilted.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna show our sad pantry.
And it's
We
sad.
just moved in. We ain't got no food. If you feel like giving us food, let me know. I'll put the Venmo in the damn comments.
Right? We got our table. It's missing some chairs. Please ignore that.
Yeah, this is just a breakfast nook, so I mean it is what it is. We got our dog a fancy ass new set. This dude's got brass bowls.
Well,
Your fault. Your fault. That's the end of that. Come on. Hey puppy. Hey puppy. Let's show me your new toy. So back here,
baby.
we finally got a nice big yard.
And a shed, keep all the car parts.
Yeah, or sweat box for good cardio because again,
Yes.
I am tubby. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Aries. Aries. He don't like the dead cat. Ah! What else are we gonna show him?
You wanna go upstairs?
Should we go upstairs? Let's go upstairs. All right, now we're headed up the World Secret Stairs. Aries is already waiting on us. Honor flag. Respect those. Every one of them. What's up, dude? What's up? What's up? You gonna talk to him about what you built up here?
I left the light off so you can get the full effect. Ooh.
The bed is lava. Ah, you see what I did there?
Oh my god.
Anyway.
So, the bed's at an angle so we can actually use our nightstands because it's too big. This is it. This is the most put together bedroom this man has ever had.
Oh, really?
You're welcome.
I had a great barracks. Anyway,
You did!
got the 55-inch that wasn't big enough down there. Up here, it's
Ignore
already
the
mounted.
cords. We're hiding the cords.
You ready for this? We have more closet space at the apartment. I don't give a damn about a laundry basket. Look at this. We ain't got no room in this bitch now. It's because she got too many clothes. I'm blaming it
No, it's
completely on you.
because you have too many t-shirts and I have way too many shoes. Wait. No, we don't. You don't have too many t-shirts because that means you stop buying them, then I stop buying shoes.
Yeah, exactly. Good
I
call.
love all of your t-shirts.
Yeah, that's right. I knew you would. Anyway, you already know. We gotta get in there. We got the watch collection. The watch collection is too serious.
I have one.
We'll get you more.
I know.
Shout out to my boy Dave. Everywhere I go. Some symbolism down here. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is.
It is.
And then, for those of you who want to get dumb, there are weapons literally hidden all over this damn house. Not a good idea. And then we got the master bath.
Get
Got that stand-up shower, right?
Keyword.
And then we got, it echoes. I don't like that. The one thing about it too is like right here behind this wall, our water heater's right there. So this shower gets lava hot, and I'm not even exaggerating.
In like 5 seconds, and there's no, oh, let's just turn it down a notch. No, it's let's become lava to melt your face. That's it.
Woo.
Those are your options.
All right, where to?
I guess our other bedrooms. They're not put together yet.
They're not. We just moved in, but we knew you guys wanted some vlog, and we decided to show up. Here, show them your other bathroom first.
This one's actually put together. Ew. He didn't like yellow, so I had yellow towels before him.
Yeah,
and he doesn't like yellow.
Sesame Street, my bad.
I'm sorry. But now our guest bathroom is very pretty, and you get to enjoy yellow.
Yay.
Yay, Target.
Jesus. And this room, this is going to be the guest room. The guest room is going to be for those of you who come over and drink.
Yep.
And you can't keep up.
We'll get a mattress eventually.
We'll get a mattress in here, and then you can stay here.
Are you eating?
You can drool and do whatever the hell you want to do. He's eating stuff. Who would have known? And then this closet.
Shoes!
Shoes and hats and apparently body armor.
Yeah. It's an accessory.
The important things. It is an accessory.
See?
It's true.
The accessory closet.
Jesus Christ.
And they're color coded. I need other shoes.
What a gay. Anyway, next. This is going to be my office. So, the plan in here, we're going to be painting some things.
Yep. We're
going to be mounting some things. We got a desk to buy. We have a
bookcase to get.
A bookcase, a gun safe. A dual monitor setup because we're going to be doing all of our editing in here. Yep. And then once a week when we do our lives, they're going to be directly live from this office.
Yep.
So we got a little bit of work to do as far as that. And then in here, we're going to keep some miscellaneous things, but you'll see.
Yep.
And then this will be the new headquarters for Savage Inc. Don't think we forgot about that. That's still coming.
Yeah.
We just got some work to do to get it there.
And you know, a coronavirus to get through.
Yeah, unfortunately. But last but not least, we got to show them one more thing. The garage.
Ew, it's ugly, right?
Hey man, just like Cribs. Cribs, we gotta show off the car collection.
I know.
Y'all think you know, you have no idea.
So, as y'all know, we have Vidar here, looking pretty, sitting in her private driveway. We have my ugly daily. Eventually this will get rid of. simply because the Mustang needs some help. But let's see what's behind door number 1. Cars.
What brings us all together, if she would point it at my face,
I did.
is cars. Okay, so Colorado, the daily, the beater.
It's going away.
Literally the beater. Jesus.
Yeah, it's got some mail damage.
Hey, you know this is a 3.5 liter 5-cylinder? It's a 3.66 cylinder. This thing technically should give me a run for my money.
It has like 100 horsepower.
It's heinous horsepower.
It is. It's
The first time I
apart.
rode in this thing, it started spraying Freon on me through the vents. I hated it.
Hey, that date was amazing. Shut up.
Anyway, everybody knows Vidar. We got a little bit left to do this thing. She needs to get cleaned up again because, well, where we live now, birds like to shit. There's literally a lake.
There's a tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's literally a lake a quarter mile from here. No, I'm not gonna tell you where the hell we live. Ain't none of your damn business.
Nope.
Because y'all motherfuckers like following people home. But
So Mustang's here. The hood's open because we disconnected the battery so that, you know, she doesn't die overnight. And Valkyrie.
so the plan right now, guys, just to keep everybody up to effect, we're gonna get this thing running.
It is.
It is running. But what I mean is we're gonna get a color on it. We're gonna get it looking good again. We got some wiring to redo so it can be more of a daily. And as soon as it is,
That's
Mr.
going
Colorado
away.
goes away. This starts getting parked in the driveway, and this starts getting torn down, and this is going to be our engine room. So one of the things I want to show everybody is, you see the walls? They're not good. They're just not. We're planning on painting this entire garage
Black.
black as hell. Black. And then what we're gonna do is hang some flags, and I might get a little artistic and Savage ink it or 86 it somewhere.
We'll see.
We'll see. There's a lot up in the air. And then we will start this crazy ass engine build with everything, because as much as I want to go ahead and be driving this car and tormenting the streets of my new town, well, coronavirus is still making it kind of hard to get parts.
Yeah.
So in the meantime, we're gonna focus on getting our house together. All right, guys, so there it is. A little bit of vlog activity today. You wanted to see the new house. That's the new house. Welcome to our home.
It
And
will
you know
look better
what?
in the future. I promise.
If you're in TX and you've had anything to do with the project, let me know. Hit me up, DM me, message me, whatever. Come through and have some whiskey. I have no problem with it at all. For those of you that, you know, haven't had a hand in it, or I don't personally know you, don't DM me. It's just gonna get weird. I don't wanna be that guy. I will though, real quick.
Yeah.
Difference between me and the rest of the world, I ain't afraid of confrontation. And if anybody hasn't figured that out yet, just go watch this just to 6. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, all that crazy shit. Thank you for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider. Stay savage.